In this video, I want to show you how to download and install ALOHA software on your PC. So let's get started. ALOHA stands for Area Locations of Hazardous Atmospheres, and it is the hazard modeling program which is used widely to plan for and respond to chemical emergencies. ALOHA allows you to enter details about a reel of potential chemical release, and then it will generate threat zone estimate for various types of hazard. ALOHA can model toxic gas cloud, flammable gas cloud, boiling liquid expanding vapor explosion, jet fire, pool fire, and vapor cloud explosions. So in this video, I want to show you how to download and install it. So open your browser. Let's open a new tab. Then search for ALOHA Software download. So when this page opens, click on the first link, ALOHA Software. When you click on it, it will open this page, ALOHA Software, so you can take your time and read through. To download it, come to this downloading ALOHA section. It's available for Windows, and you can also download for Mac. In this video, I'm downloading for Windows, so I will click on download ALOHA for Windows. The download has started. So after downloading, let's try to install it. To install it, I'll go to the download section, and here is the installer. Right click and then run as administrator. Then click on next. Accept the agreement and click on next. Click next. And then if you want desktop shortcut, check this box and click on next. Then click on install. So the installation is in progress. So after installation, click on finish. Then if I go to the desktop, here is the shortcut of ALOHA. So double click to launch the software. Yes. Click on OK. So here is the interface of the software. So in the subsequent video, we'll be looking at how to use it. But this is how to download and install ALOHA software. Thank you for watching.